Hey guys, lannetkrystle here and welcome to my channel. I know it's been such a long time since my last video. I've just been really busy with my Instagram page. I update almost every day on my Instagram. I post videos, I post product reviews, product photos, and then of course some selfies. So it's just easier to keep up with my Instagram page than here on my YouTube channel. But of course I miss my YouTube family and I want to get back into creating more videos here on YouTube. I've also been testing out a lot of products. Main focus is skincare. So if you go to my Instagram page, which is lannetkrystle, same username, just here like my username here on YouTube, just look for me, lannetkrystle, or I'll have the link down below. Just click on that link and you'll follow me on Instagram. And if you guys want to know how I achieved this makeup look, I use some products from Eddie Funkhauser. My lashes are from Fifi Lashes. Go ahead and head over to my Instagram, follow my Instagram, and you'll see a lot of my quick makeup tutorials on there. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys what I got in my beauty bag from Lucky Vitamin. This video is not sponsored at all. Lucky Vitamin just wanted to send me their beauty bag, and they pretty much sell this until they sell out, so there's no limited time offer. But yeah, Lucky Vitamin is known to sell cruelty-free, vegan, clean, natural, paraben-free beauty products, and not just beauty products, but like vitamins, lotions, all that fun stuff. And they are selling a beauty bag. This beauty bag retails for $15.99. They also have like a subscription type deal, which I think you save like 15 to 20% off the beauty bag. And this beauty bag is full of goodies, all clean and natural, vegan, cruelty-free goodies that I wanted to share with you guys. So let's talk about the bag itself. This bag is made by Danica Studio, and I looked it up on Amazon, and the bag itself cost $29.82, so about $30. And if you think about it, the bag with the deluxe size samples is $15.99, so you're already saving some coin by purchasing the beauty bag. So you can see it's super full. This is their small size bag. I know Danica Studio also has a larger size. So if you look in the bag, the first thing I have here is the EOS Shave Cream and Moisturizer. This again is like their travel size, and I know they sell this at Target, but this retails, well, the bigger size retails for $3.82, so I'm guessing this is about $1.50, which isn't bad at all. Again, this is great for travel. And then the scent that's in here is the pomegranate raspberry. The next thing in the bag is from Nubian Heritage. These are their peppermint and aloe bath bombs. And this retails for $14.99 for a 4-pack. So pretty much just split it down the middle. It's gonna be $7.50 for 2, which isn't bad at all. I think this is so cute because if you do travel, like if you book a hotel or an Airbnb with a really nice bathtub, this will come very handy when you travel. It'll be like a really nice bath bomb. Plus this smells so good. It's not too strong on the peppermint, and it's a really good balance of peppermint and aloe. So this is Nubian Heritage Peppermint and Aloe Bath Bombs. So next in the bag is Schmidt's Tooth and Mouth Paste. It helps whiten teeth and freshen breath. Now this is an all natural toothpaste. I've never tried a natural toothpaste before. And this is the scent or flavor in coconut lime. And it smells really good. So again, perfect for travel, or not even travel, like just to have in your purse, you know, or bag, just in case you want to brush your teeth, freshen up. This is nice to have in your bag. Also inside the bag are the Grandpa Soap & Co. Witch Hazel Conditioner and Shampoo. This is to clarify, it has witch hazel, lavender flower, and coconut oil. This is a natural shampoo. I haven't tried any natural shampoos, and I've never heard of the Grandpa Soap Co. Have you? So if you guys have tried any of these products, let me know, leave a comment, and I can't wait to try these out. in the bag you'll also get 3 packs of the Freshwater Collagen powder from Reservage. I've never tried anything like this. This is with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, so I'm guessing it's like a mix-in drink, kind of like a Crystal Light type tea thing. I don't know if it has any flavor, but this is pretty cool. And it's a dietary supplement, and this is in lemon. So you get 3 packs of these. And you also get a mini sample of the Mychelle Dermaceuticals Moisturizer in Deep Repair Cream. This is a pretty small size. It's 0.25 fluid ounce. Again, you get a lot of samples in this bag. Again, you're only paying $15.99. And yeah, so this is again one of those things that you have in your purse, have in your bag, and if you just need an extra moisturization on your face somewhere, this is good to bring with you. Another skincare item in the bag is from Acure, and I've heard of Acure. They sell this brand at Target. I've seen it at Marshall's and TJ Maxx, and this is their Brilliantly Brightening Facial Scrub. Again, when you buy this bag, you'll get everything you need for travel. I think this is a pretty good value. Again, $15.99 for the bag. I haven't tried anything from Acure yet. I've just heard about them, so this would be really cool to try out and to have with you again for travel. And last but not least, the bag is empty. This one is Soothing Touch Coconut Lime Lip Balm. I know I've seen other bags with different flavors, so the flavor I got was coconut lime. I guess it's like to coincide with the coconut and lime toothpaste. But yeah, this is full size, vegan, natural, made with organic cocoa and shea butters. Let's go ahead and smell this. Ooh, and it smells good too. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And this one, and the lip balm retails for $3. So all in all, I think this is a great value. For $15.99, you get a lot of products. You also get a bag that's worth 30 bucks already. And these are great to try before you buy, or just to have in your bag when you travel, or even if you go on a day-to-day basis, just because you never know when you're gonna need these things. And plus, these are all natural, clean beauty items. So yeah, again, I enjoyed doing my unbagging or unboxing of the Lucky Vitamin Beauty Bag. Please get yours. I will leave the link down below. I do not get any commission or anything like that. I just wanted to share with my audience this great value of a beauty bag. If you are into clean and natural beauty, this is definitely a good bag to get. And if you have not subscribed to me, please do so. It doesn't cost you anything. Hitting the bell notification doesn't cost you anything either. It's free to follow, free to subscribe, and free to be notified. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Please leave me a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and God bless.